You know, getting into DIY solar is an amazing feeling. You're building your own power, harnessing the sun. It's awesome. But let's be real, it can also be a total minefield of confusing advice and, honestly, some hidden dangers. So today we're going to do something a little different. We are pulling back the curtain on the internal engineering blueprint of a big DIY solar channel, Solar Circuit 360, to see what it actually takes to create information that's not just helpful, but is fundamentally safe.
I mean, it's a question we've all asked ourselves, right? You're scrolling through forums, watching tutorials, and you think, am I getting the whole story here? Could this advice that sounds so confident actually put my project or even my home at risk? It's a totally valid fear, because not all info is created equal, not by a long shot.
And this slide just nails it. Look at the left side. That's the chaos you often find online. It's a mess of conflicting information, theories that have never been tested, and key safety warnings that are just gone. Now look at the right, the engineer-led approach. It's systematic, it's formula-driven, and most importantly, it comes from a place of safety first. The difference isn't just about style, it could be the difference between success and disaster for your project.
So yeah, this all boils down to what we can call the DIY information problem. How in the world do you sort the good advice from the bad? Well, thankfully, there's a structured way to solve this.
And this, right here, is the turning point. It's the core belief that you can build a system for information that isn't designed for viral clicks or quick views, but for real clarity and the absolute safety of the person on the other end. It's about shifting the goal from just engagement to actually empowering people.
So when we say blueprint, this is exactly what we're talking about. We're not talking about a rough sketch here. This is a detailed, hardcore plan that makes sure every single piece of information, every formula, every wire diagram is accurate, safe, and totally reliable. And today we're getting a peek at the actual content blueprint from Solar Circuit 360.
All right, so let's dive into their engineering blueprint. This isn't just some vague mission statement. This is the actual, documented process they follow to make sure nothing is ever left to chance. And this slide breaks down their four-step method perfectly. It kicks off with step 1, competitive intelligence, which means they look at what everyone else is teaching and, more importantly, what safety gaps they might be missing. That flows right into step 2, building a rock-solid technical foundation. From there, it's on to step 3, applying a set of really strict rules, which all leads to the final product in step 4, a safety-first output. It's basically a production line for safe, accurate information.
But, you know, a process is only as good as the knowledge it's built on. And that brings us to authority and accuracy, which is the bedrock of this entire system.
I mean, just take a look at this list. Before anyone even thinks about writing a script, the content has to pass through this filter of deep knowledge, solar panel physics, charge controller logic, the specific chemistry of batteries, inverter science, and, this is a big one, the hardcore math behind wiring, fire prevention, and sizing your system correctly. This is not surface-level stuff. This is the deep engineering that makes a system work safely and reliably.
Okay, now this is where the blueprint gets really powerful. It's not just about what you should do, it's about what you should never do. These are the non-negotiable rules they have that protect the viewer in every single video.
It might sound obvious, but this is the absolute cornerstone. All formulas must be accurate. In electrical systems, math isn't just a theory. If a formula tells you to use a wire that's too thin for the amount of current, that wire can literally overheat and start a fire. It is a direct cause and effect. So getting the math right isn't just for good grades, it's a non-negotiable safety feature.
And the list of non-negotiables goes on. First, never, ever invent electrical values just to make an example easier. Second, always include real-world safety warnings. Third, every video has to follow a very strict, predictable structure. Start with a hook, explain the theory, give the step-by-step, and end with a focus on safety. And finally, always include a professional disclaimer. It's a reminder that this is educational, but it's not a substitute for a qualified expert looking at your specific project.
So, what does all this behind-the-scenes process stuff mean for you, the person who's actually trying to build something? Well, it all translates directly into a promise of reliability and a promise of safety.
Man, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? The result of chaotic, random information is a very real risk of fire and injury, damaged gear, and just plain wasted money. But the result of a rigorous, documented process, that leads to enhanced safety, a system you can rely on for years, and the confidence to actually get your project done right. The stakes are just incredibly high.
And that's where the name comes from, right? Solar Circuit 360.
That 360 isn't just a random number. It represents this whole philosophy. It's about giving you a complete 360-degree view of a topic. Not just how it works, but how it can fail and how to build it safely from every single angle.
So, this all leaves us with one final, really important question you need to ask yourself. As you're out there gathering info for your own projects, ask this. Is this information built on a solid blueprint? Is it backed by a real process, by deep expertise, and by a die-hard commitment to safety? Because at the end of the day, the quality of your information is going to determine the quality and the safety of your build.